Well, welcome back this morning. We're gonna try to get this battery out of this Kubota. I'm tired of fighting with this thing every time you get ready to crank it, so we're gonna take this loose and try to get it out. Had to stop and holler at old Echo up there. He's up there working on my old granddaddy's shop for my mom and aunt, trying to get it repaired up. Seems like he's always got his hand in something, trying to make a little extra money. I tell you, it didn't nobody get this battery out of here for sure. Well, we headed uptown, tried to find a battery for this Kubota. Got it out. Stopped by and checked on Echo. I tried to get him just let me set my camera up on him while he was on top of that roof and leave it just in case he fell. You know, I'd have it on video so we know what happened, you know. But he didn't like that idea. He's still a little camera shy. The first couple videos I put on YouTube of him, kind of put a bad taste in his mouth. I went back and took them off. I had several people ask me, where's the Echo videos at? I took them off. So I'm trying to ease it back in on it. We're going to get him back in on it though. So we'll be back with y'all shortly. It's this new battery. We're going to try to get it in here. See if it'll work. Alright, that battery got it. Looks like back in business. Go ahead and try to knock this bush hogging out. Looks like the rain's coming though. Probably get wet, but I'm gonna try it. Right there. Field's getting that rain we needed. We planted that field yesterday. That's the one we planted here at the house. And I like one more field getting bush hogged. That'd be wrapped up all the planting. Thank goodness. So, glad to get this rain. That's about gonna wrap it up for today. We ain't got a whole lot going on today. Kinda wanted to finish all that bush hogging, just didn't get to it. Started raining on me. We need the rain for these fields. So we got the weekend coming up. We got a cold front coming in. I'm off. Hope you get a good bit of bow hunting in and some tracking. So if that's what y'all like, join Zach Crowley 27. Thank y'all.